Hello guys! Good morning! Welcome again to another sweet day with Xoxo. So today, I'm so excited kasi magde-decorate na naman tayo ng cake. Ito talaga ang na-miss ko when I was working on board. Gagawa muna tayo ng cake and then we will proceed to decorating. The idea is, gagawa tayo ng cake to reveal the gender of a baby. So dahil girl ang baby, gagawa tayo ng pink na cake, pink-blue na frosting, and then malalaman ng mother na baby girl pag nag-slice na siya ng cake. So ang gagawin natin ay isang pink velvet cake. So what is a pink velvet cake? It's a vanilla flavored cake, and the pink color comes from the food coloring. You can also use a natural color by emulsifying strawberry and raspberry. And what makes it a velvet cake? The answer is on the texture of the cake. It's smooth, soft, appearance, taste, and feel. Also, a velvet cake uses buttermilk. It's one of those magical ingredients that really adds tenderness to the baked goods. If no buttermilk, you can substitute with milk and vinegar. Just stir, leave for 5 minutes before you add to the recipe. And why is it moist? It's also because of the buttermilk and the oil. So are you excited? Let's go and let's prepare our ingredients. For the dry ingredients, we have 2 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Please note to sift all the dry ingredients to add volume to the cake. The wet ingredients, we have 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 2 whole eggs, 1 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and our food color. We also need 2 7-inch round pan, wax paper, wire whisk, and rubber spatula. Step 1, add all the dry ingredients: all-purpose flour, sugar, salt, and baking soda. Step 2, combine all the wet ingredients. Kung wala kayong stand mixer, pwede ring hand mixer or just a wire whisk. So we will start with the eggs, oil, next is the milk. I already add the vinegar here and leave this for 5 minutes before we add to the recipe. Then the vanilla extract. I-mix lang natin to combine the ingredients. Then we will add the food color. Since gel ang gamit ko, I mix it first with 1 tablespoon of warm water para hindi magbubuo. Pero kung liquid ang food color nyo, pwede nyo nang i-diretso doon sa mixture. Pag na-achieve na ang gusto nyong color, i-add naman natin ang dry ingredients. Just mix until smooth in texture. So, ganito ang texture niya. Ilalagay na natin sa pan. Ito na ang ating mixture and yung dalawang round pan. Nilagyan ko na siya ng wax paper. So, hahatiin natin ang mixture doon sa dalawang pan. Ito, nakahati na sa dalawang pan yung ating mixture. So, before we bake, make sure that you tap this para mawala yung mga bubbles. So, ngayon, naka-preheat na yung ating oven to 160 degrees Celsius and i-bake na natin to for 45 minutes. Now, let's check if it's already done. We will do a cake test by inserting a stick in the middle of the cake. And if it comes out clean, that means it's done. There you go. Perfect. Yung ating cake, ilalagay na natin sa wire rack to cool down. Ngayon, malamig na yung ating cake. So, let's go with decorating. Prepare na natin yung cake gamit ang ating cake slicer. Para pantay ang ito na yung ating naka-layer ng mga cake. Ilalagay na natin sa cake board. Next. Ngayon, lalagyan muna natin siya ng icing. Using the offset spatula, lagyan lang ang gilid. Balik ko muna sa fridge para tumigas and then mamaya lalagyan na natin yung blue and pink na frosting. So ngayon, ilalagay na natin ang blue at saka pink na frosting. Meron tayong cake comb and cake scraper. Unahin natin ang blue. Pink naman. Ngayon, meron akong two-tone na buttercream frosting. Lalagyan natin ng rosette yung center ng cake. Yan. Ngayon, ibabox na natin para deliver na. There you go! Ready na ang ating cake for delivery! Para sa soon-to-be mom na si Ishel Pasis, congratulations! I'm so happy for you! And that's all for today, guys! See you in my next sweet video! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe! Thank you for watching!